YouTube, what is good? It is your boy Professor Brooks. We back with another video. So I'm switching it up from now on. I'm not doing analysis videos anymore as much. I think I'm just gonna stick to live trading videos. So as you guys see, I got a screen recording from my MetaTrader. I'm in the Euro Aussie buy right now. Um, this is on the 5 minute time frame because I think I'm done with higher time frames. I want to stick to lower time frames, 1 to 2 trades a day, nice and simple. As of right now, I have one target, and that's $100 a day. I'm not getting greedy. After the loss I took, I'm keeping it very small right now. So we're shooting for $100 a day. I got the screen recording on for you guys. Here's the trade I'm in. I'm in a Euro Aussie buy. I don't know how long it's gonna take to hit, but we're gonna wait and see. So until then, let me go over the analysis with you guys. So in the 5 minute time frame, we got a trend line break, and we also have some demand at this zone right here. So when I see that demand, I see we broke the trend line, and I see this wick right here with the break of the candle. I bought. It's as simple as that. And for extra confluence, right, on the weekly, we are at a demand zone on the weekly as well, which is right here. When this big shoot up started, we're at this zone, it was right here. We're back at this zone. So I'm expecting a bounce. I'm not expecting a big 100 pip move, 200 pip move, but I'm expecting a bounce. So that's all I'm looking for. I'm looking for a bounce to the upside. Oh, shoot. I'm looking for the bounce to the upside. I'm going to take my profits and then go about my day. It's as simple as that. So until then, we're gonna let this trade play out. Oh shoot, go back. Where's the back button? Where's the back? Okay. So until then, we're gonna let this trade play out and we'll see how it goes. Let's see. And I do have my stop loss right below this wick right here. Right below this wick is where I have my stop loss, because if it breaks this wick, I don't want to be in the trade anymore. So I don't know how long this trade might take to play out. So I'm going to stop the screen recording. And once we get to that zone, I'll recontinue the screen recording to show you guys when I either take my loss or take my profit. All I know though is I'm done trading on a daily. I'm done trading on a 4 hour. I'm done trading on a 1 hour. I'm going to stick to lower time frames for the most part and just go from there. I used to trade lower time frames back in the day, and I stopped because I was working a business at the time. So it was too hard for me to trade intraday as well as work the business. So I had no choice but to adjust to the 4 hour and the daily. But as I've been on the 4 hour and the daily, I just realized I don't like how long it takes for my trades to play out, especially if I'm sitting in drawdown. So I can be sitting in drawdown for days, weeks. The trade is taking forever to play out, and I just got sick of it. So I'm going back to my roots, back to lower time frame trading. I'm going to be documenting most of my journey on here live, wins and losses, and yeah, we'll go from here then. So until then, I'll see y'all when this trade is almost done playing out. So if we get a break below these candles and we close below, and we get a candle that breaks that, I might close this trade early. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not playing no games. I'm not playing any games. If it breaks this candle and closes below, and we break that candle, I'm closing the trade. Get sick of these charts, man. For real. Closing. No hesitation. Still bulls. Look at that liquidity grab. Okay, if this liquidity grab persists, right, the way we came down and pushed back up, and we close above this trend line and continue to push up, I might scale in a little bit more. If it's doing this, this shows me bulls are in control at the moment. I'm gonna scale in more, take it to the upside, double this winner. Easy. What? We'll see though. Let me get a break of this candle. We get a break of these candles. I'm in there. Again, scaling in. Easy. All right. I think this trade isn't working out. So we might end up cutting it for a small loss. I'm gonna monitor it. Let's see. It's not pushing up how I wanted to push up. So small loss might be the answer. I'm gonna give it another candle or two. Let's say the next like one or two candles react. If I don't get stopped out. It tested the wick. You're gonna break. Break it. So I can close. Break it. All right, looks like it's broken. Closing. $50 loss. That's it. That's it for the live trading video. Close out for a $50 loss. It's no biggie. Closed a little early. Actually, on second thoughts, we have found another great trade on GU. So, looks like we're not done. I lost 50 bucks on the last trade. So, I'm keeping myself out $100 a day on this account right now. So, I still got 50 bucks to risk. So, we got a nice supply setup right here on GU. Lovely downtrend, nice supply setup. So, I'm gonna take it. Here, I thought I was done for the day. Thought I was done for the day, and another setup came. Man. Let's see how this one plays out. Also, for extra confluence, because it's not just a 5-minute supply trade. Also, on the daily, we have confluence on the daily chart. This is also a daily supply zone as well. So when I see the daily retest of the supply zone, I go down to the lower time frame and I'm looking for sales. Bam. Hit a supply on the 5-minute, supply on the daily. That means we're going to supply our way down. So that's all it is. If I lose, I lose. I lose my $100 and I'm done for the day. You guys can see on my screen, get the screen recording. I'm up 10 bucks right now. We'll see how it plays out. 15 bucks. We'll see. Let's see if I'm gonna go 0-2 or I'm gonna go 1-1 today. So far, so good. I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop loss a little tighter right now, actually, because it's moving kind of good. So I'm gonna tighten my stop. 1.36698 right there. So now I'm risking 30 bucks. No biggie. Especially after a candle like this. Yeah, I like that. So if we break back above this area, why would I want to hold it anyways? It's looking bearish. I want to see it continue to be bearish. If not, I get out. I'll go ahead and move my stop loss right here to break even. And we good. Now we're gonna let it run the TP. Or we might even close a little bit earlier, like up here. Let's see how it reacts at this double bottom zone. We're gonna see. We're at break even. Some beautiful rejection right here at these levels. Beautiful rejection. Rejection there, rejection there, rejection right here. Beautiful rejection. The trade looks like it's going to work out, but never know. But it looks like we're going to for sure at least come down to this zone. Let's see though. If we get a break of these candles, it'll show me bears are in control. That's exactly what we was looking for. We up 70 and running. Honestly, if it keeps pushing, this TP is gonna get lowered. And I'm gonna trail my stop loss if we're pushing like this. Matter of fact, let me trail my stop now. Just to lock in a little bit of profit. We're at a double bottom. All right, so we seem to be pushing back up. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and close this trade at a 43. Let me see actually. I'm looking at 3 minute. Why are we pushing up so strong? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close it. So it's basically a break-even day. All that for a break-even day. We're closing right here because I don't like how it got so bullish at this double bottom. So I'm gonna show you guys the results. And you guys can see it is a break-even day. It's no biggie. Move on to the next one. If you guys appreciate this live stream, like I said, make sure to like it, sub, all those things. From now on, you guys be seeing more live stream videos. Not really going to be doing analysis videos as much because I don't really feel it gets views like that, nor does it give as much value because it's not live. So now with this, I can show live trades, live capital, even though it's small capital because I'm trading on a small account right now. It's still value though. So that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. More live videos coming. See you on the next one.